take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known, and we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
Your brake shoe. So now your brake shoe is off. Your brake pads, brake shoe, whatever it is, the clamps right there. My hand is dirty, it's off. So let's examine the wear and tear on that. Alright. So you look at the wear and tear. This is the new one. So boom. This is the old one, guys. That's the wear and tear on it. So guys, look at the difference. Let me get a low down. See that, guys? So the wear and tear is so serious that there's almost nothing left. Look at that, all gone. So after 1 year, the Sondors brakes will break down depending on how you ride. All right, so that's one. And that is number 2. So this is done. So remember, when you're buying a new one, it comes with a nice shiny spring. All right, so you get a new spring with it. This is the old spring. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean out the thing there because my hand is messy. I'm going to clean out the brakes a little bit, the brake area a little bit, to get some of that soot off. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but yeah, get that area cleaned up a little bit, all that soot and stuff off. Get it all cleaned up a little bit. Alright, guys. Alright. So now time for me to put in the new one. So remember, spring in the middle, brake shoe on the top, like this. So it drops into place. So it cushions it. See there, guys? It cushions it and you pin it like that. See? Pull it forward. So it cushions like that. Boop, 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 boop. Brakes hold, brakes hold. So boom. Boom. Now, guys, I'm gonna put this back in. No matter which way you want to go, just know that you put it in correctly where it needs to be placed. Alright, guys, I'm gonna hold it like that. I'm gonna put it in now. There you go. So you see, snugged in, nice and easy. So the green on the back right there. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to get the pin and I'm going to pin that in to ensure that everything is locked into place. So this is the pin again. Get the pin the same direction. Once everything is fit into place, it aligned perfectly. So you see that, guys? The pin is right there. Everything is aligned perfectly, and now I'm going to bend back that pin to lock it into place. So when you're riding, you're going through the bumps and stuff, you won't see your brakes coming. You won't see your brakes coming loose. Your brake pad won't come loose because you bend back that little iron. You see, you test it, you pull it back and forward, and it holds into place. So there you go. It's snug into place right there. Boom, and you're all set. So now it's just time to readjust back your brake cable. I'm going to readjust back my brake cable because this is like this is not the original brake cable that came with the Sondors. This is a bad brake cable. As you can see, the ends are loose, but I just use what I have at the time. My brake cable had popped, so careful with this though guys, because it's very sharp. Don't mess around with the brake cables like that if you don't know what you're doing, because you hurt yourself. Alright guys,
so brake cable locked into place. There you go, there's a wire right there locked into place. So now I need to loosen this so that the this is snug in tight. I think this might need to be calibrated a little bit better. Let me see. Yeah, this is a bit. I'm having some technical issues, guys. Having some technical issues right there. Alright, so what I did wrong, I pulled this too far. I pulled this too far ahead, and that's the issue. You need some slack on it. That's my issue. I pulled it a little too far. It has to be too, sorry, it's too tight. That's my issue right there. That's my issue. Just need to come out. So I get it right. That's right there now. So let's put pressure on this. Put pressure on the thing. Put pressure on the pressure
on the bicycle. Okay, so guys, that fit on nicely. I need to adjust the front one. I just realized what the issue was or is, at least. I'm pulling too much on the brake cable, so you
learn. You learn, guys, you learn. You learn. You learn. Everything you do, guys, you learn.
Shoot guys, turn the camera the wrong way, imagine that. So I'm getting wet right now like a madman. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix back. I'm going to readjust. Too much slack in it.
Yeah, grandma? What about? 5,000 dollar? No, you did draw 2 for the car. You sure nobody look this? Not for the car? No. What about the Kia Forte? The old car? Yeah. Then they pay for the ride, check out now. So what did he say? What did he say? $5,000 come out at one time or what? Ask them when? Ask them which date? Ask them which date it draw? And where? The location? A location. Yeah, after the date and the location, say no, where? September the 24th? That weird, start this year then. September the 24th, 2019. Grandma, Grandma, me not say buy furniture and something there, no. You buy fridge and the stove. Fridge and stove. The stove, the fridge, what else you buy? You buy something else. You do something, you know, you go shopping, you know. You buy microwave and mustard, that I can't reset that, I can't reset. Yeah, you draw big money. Yeah. Yeah, you draw big money, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Lord. From Joey. Nobody cares for 1200. Yeah, and then they buy the parts then. Remember the parts that they put tonight? The brakes. Remember? The white. I think the white one. The white Toyota. Camera, it's a Toyota thing there. Man, I know them tiny do a lot of spending. Yeah. Yeah, man, you're welcome, man. Yeah. That's one good one now, that's why. No, that's one good one now. Good copy years, grandma. Oh, nice. Nice. Alright, so the bicycle. Okay, very good, very good.